What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Toyota Prius remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2004 to 2009 Toyota Prius, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing you want to do is grab the key fob, and we're going to remove this emergency key. How we're going to do that is we're going to press this release on the bottom of the fob that my finger's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now I'm going to use this emergency key to remove this back cover on the fob. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to push this little lever down. Push that little lever down into its notch, and then while holding that lever down, I'm going to pull up like this with the key. So come in here, push that little lever down, and then slide this cover up. And you can see it slid up just a little bit, and then once it's started, you can slide it the rest of the way off with your hands like that. Once we get that cover off, we can see there's another cover right here that's held on by these 4 small screws. These screws actually call for a small Phillips head screwdriver. I didn't have a small enough Phillips head, so what I'm going to do is use a flathead, and you just want to make sure that it'll fit in the notch itself without stripping it. So go ahead, whatever screwdriver you are using, and remove those 4 screws. Once we get those 4 screws off, we can remove this back cover. I'm just going to take my screwdriver and get down in this little slot like right here. Pry up on that cover. Once we get that cover off, we can see our battery right here. In order to pop this battery out, what I'm going to do is come over here, and if you look at this battery holder, you can see there's this kind of extra plastic piece right here. I'm going to come over next to that plastic piece and just push on the edge of the battery with my screwdriver. And as I do that, you can see it pops it out of that holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first that's near that plastic thing like that. Tuck that edge in first and then snap the battery down into place. And then we can go ahead and throw this back cover on. And go ahead and put your 4 screws in. I'll come back after the video and put those 4 screws in just to save time. So make sure your 4 screws are in, and then we're going to take this back cover and slide it like that. In order to slide it all the way on, I'm going to come down here and press this release, which pulls that latch down, and that's what will allow it to slide all the way up and lock into place. And then the last thing I'm going to do is put my emergency key back in, slide that up till it locks into place, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.